Hello, friends. Today, you will learn how to control your costs so that your business can quickly reach the point where it makes just enough money to cover its costs and eventually grow smartly, increasing its value. For the sake of simplicity, assume that one pack of millet rice, which we will call 1 unit, has a sales price of 100 rupees. When you sell 1 unit of millet rice for 100 rupees, the cost of materials is 69 rupees. Also, add 1 rupee for bags and packing and another 5 rupees or transporting and distributing the millet rice. Plus, 3 rupees goes to marketing and advertising. So, your variable costs, which change with the number of millet rices you sell, are about 78 rupees for each unit of millet rice. Now, let's look at the fixed costs that stay the same no matter how many units of millet rice you sell. When you sell a unit of millet rice for 100 rupees, set aside 1 rupee for renting the factory space and another 1 rupee for utilities like electricity and water, and up to 3 rupees for paying your workers, in case you are hiring external labor. If you take out a loan, include an additional 1 rupee for the interest you have to pay. All this adds up to around 6 rupees of fixed costs for each unit of millet rice. When you add up both the fixed and variable costs, it costs you 84 rupees to make each unit of millet rice which is sold for 100 rupee. This means you make a profit of 16 rupees for each unit of millet rice. However, you may have to pay 5 rupees in taxes, so after taxes, your profit is around 11 rupees per millet rice. This is a simple way of saying that your net profit margin is 11%. Now, for the planning part. You have two choices. Either reinvest some of your profit back into the business or use the money for yourself. It's wise to put half of your profit, which is 5 rupees and 5 paise, back into the business for things like stock. Then, you can use the other 5 rupees and 5 paise for yourself or other purposes. To make a profit quickly, try to reduce your fixed cost. Use your own shed for making the millet rices instead of renting a place. In the beginning, have family members help you to save on worker cost. Use your own money, or get help from friends, family, and business partners, instead of taking loans. This way, you won't have to pay regular interest. Offer them a share of the profits instead of a fixed payment. If you keep these costs low, you might start making a profit by the second month. When your customers like your products and your business grows, you'll need more money to run it. You'll have to buy more materials, make more products, and have enough money for finished goods and credit for stores. This is where having enough working capital is important. It helps your business grow. You can get this money from banks or local groups, but using your own earnings is the cheapest way. By keeping and reinvesting half of your profits into the business, you do two things. You have more working capital to work with, and you increase the value of your business. When you reinvest, you can handle bigger orders and keep more stock. This leads to more business and, as a result, increases the value of your business. Let's look ahead. If you continue to grow the number of stores, your business could be worth 45 lakhs at the end of the first year. The value of your business can become 2 crore if you work double shift in second and third year. The more money you put back into your business, the more credit you can get, the more you can sell, and the higher your business value will go. All the best.
Please like, share, subscribe to Vyapara Coach channel.